The Philips 49 PUS75 is a 49-inch 4K TV with wide viewing angles and has exclusive Ambilight effects. It's a good option if you want a modern TV experience without breaking the bank.
A few months ago, Philips upgraded TV lineup with PUS75.
This TV has a lot of similarities with 49 PUS75 but 03 model has new improved 60 Hz VA screen. So we can say that it has decent picture quality with high contrast ratio and black screen uniformity.
The screen is semi-glossy and it can only partially blur out the light on its surface. So you will have to increase the brightness or dim the room.
The design of Philips 7503 is very simple if you like space age design. This is a TV with thin silver bezel, built-in soundbar and central metal stand. The brushed aluminum bezel is very nice and the soundbar is placed along the lower bezel and its main surface resembles that of speaker grills.
A look from the side reveals inputs. And all around you can see 41 color LEDs for Ambilight effects.
The PUS75 comes with a single remote with built-in keyboard. The remote feels solid in the hand and we like the layout of the buttons. TV has all connector on the back side, HDMI, optical, it's all there, including headphone jack, which Samsung and LG smart TVs doesn't have anymore. HDR performance is limited by screen brightness of 400 nits due to low contrast, and it's okay. But 400 nits it's a starting point for HDR effect. We have TVs with many more, but they are more expensive, of course. Ambilight effects work very good, and you can see these effects even in daylight. Ambilight effects help creating a perception of better dark contrast in the room. USB movie playback with Android apps works fine, but Samsung's built-in USB movie app is still a little faster. Finding settings and menu options is pretty straightforward, and app selection from Google Play Store is very easy.
During the test we did not see any slowdowns and going through the menus was smooth.
Android TV continues to be one of better options out there, with cool design and easy to navigate interface.
YouTube app is fast and responsive and it has options to change video quality.
Web browser works fine, but it could have more options for web page video playback, so flash support is limited. It is possible to connect mouse or keyboard for faster clicking web experience. You can play Android games with gamepad, and some games even works with TV remote. Picture quality in standard mode is boring, but luckily you have vivid profile in picture settings or accurate calibrated movie or ISF profile. Color saturation is good under angles and black levels are above average. Noise reduction was quickly efficient using the new P5 processor. The picture is sharp and generally free of noise when upscaling 1080p. Philips PUS75 has built-in soundbar and subwoofer in the back, so sound quality will be decent enough for music and movies. It's spacious and balanced enough. However, for those who prefer high quality, You can always upgrade to hi-fi speakers in the future. The Philips PUS75 has a lot of smart TV functions, a well-designed frame, stand and speakers with good sound quality. The display colors are almost perfect and the contrast quality is above average. Big plus are also remote with keyboard and built-in Android gaming system. There is more than enough here to give you a taste of 4K, and it's one of the best Ambilight TVs for its price tag.